warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jasmine Nurul Izza and I come from Biology Education, Science and Mathematics Faculty, University of Malang. In this time, I will tell you about why elephants don't get cancer. This is the very interesting topics to talk, right? So the first fact we have to know is the bigger we are, the more cell we have. And therefore, one of the cell may becoming cancer someday. But if we look progressively in a large animal, we don't see the increased rate of the cancer. This is called Pitto's paradox. The Pitto's paradox are the statements saying by Richard Pitto from Oxford University that he said that humans may have a lower risk to get cancer than a mouse. So, why it can be happen? So we know that one of the large animal is an elephant. The researcher of Chicago University was very interesting to know more about the elephant. She was very curious in why elephants don't get cancer. And she was very cared because the close living relative of the elephant was very small. The size is about a small cat, or we can call it as a hyrax. Within a few million years, maybe the close living relative of the elephant changed from being very small to being very huge. So because these two things are closely related to each other, we finally can compare the gene of elephant and the hyrax to know more about the ability of elephant, why they can kill cancer or they can stop the cell to becoming cancer. So Finny Lynch have the real DNA of elephant and she have the cells of elephant. For 10 years or more now, actually the researcher like NIH and other foundations have been sequencing the DNA of many animals in the world, include the DNA of hyrax and elephants have been sequenced too. Because the genomes of the hyrax and the elephant have been sequencing, Finny Lynch said that she just have to find the function of each genes in an elephant. As we know, there are two different kinds of genes that have relation with cancer. There are genes called oncogene, and when they were mutated, they will cause the cancer. And there are genes that called tumor suppressor, and their job is to suppress the formation of the tumor. After that, Finny Lynch and her colleague tried to count how many oncogene and tumor suppressor in an elephant. And now we know that elephant have 20 copies of tumor suppressor, whereas other animals just have one. After that invention, there is a question, how about other close relatives of elephant like a mammoth? Finny Lynch have looked in a mammoth too, that are the most closely related to Asian elephant. The mammoth have a special copies of genes named P53 that will make the mammoth can survive and long life. I think that's it. Can I say? I'm sorry if any mistake from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.